All that sounds to me so nice. All that sounds to me so
Hi, this is Mahesh Ravi, and in this video, I just wanted to give you a heads up with the AI tool called Shakker. So we are in Shakker right now. The downside to this tool is its complicated UI. It's slightly difficult to get around this and understand what it actually is capable of. But once you get over that, it's pretty cool. So if you look at this, you can see a set of inspirations, workflows, and things like that. And on the top here, which is not the right way to actually put these features, the affordance is slightly difficult here. There is an AI generator, there is A111 Web UI, Comfy UI, and Train Elora. So this is actually available, and there is a create button. When you click on it, you can see that there is a model creation, there is an image creation, and workflow creation. So if you believe that if you have to click create to start to generate an image, you are wrong. All right, so this is where I have problems with this UI. It's basically to upload an image in here. So uh, again, the term model might be confusing. So models are basically, think of it like widgets which are created by other creators of this platform, where you can just use that to generate your images, right? You can just utilize what they have created. It could be a style, it could be a particular workflow that they have created. They have deployed it in here, and you can use it, or you can create your own models about using a particular style. So if you want to create an image which is rendered in cinema style, black and white, grainy footage, you can create that model and give it to the public. So they just have to run this model to make their images look like that. So that's the whole concept. It's not very clear here, and you can also make your workflows for your process. So we are not going to create a model, but let me show you how these models work. So I'm going to click on AI generator. This is where we will create our images. So once you have this, I'm just going to close this, and we can see the generator window, and it's an open canvas. We can see this like this. If you look at this, the model that is currently set on is Shaker Zeno 1, and it has a style parameter, it has a describe picture parameter, and then what you want to do and all that. It's right here. So I'm just going to remove everything from here right now. And what we'll do is we will write describe an image, right? So let's say a woman standing in a beach, right? So let's say this is our image description. We can add hair flying in the wind, casually dressed. Okay, our description, and we have this model. So if you click on generate, it will start generating an image. So okay, let's generate, and it starts generating images. Right, so we have now when it comes to styles, I click on this and I can see different styles here. So if you go to photography, you can see very interesting styles like documentary photography, atmospheric photography, and things like that. So grainy photography is there. Um, okay, this is an interesting one. Fluxlora film, Kodak film, and all that. So let's open that. Let's click that, and that's selected here. You can keep adding something else to this as well. So if I'm going to add grainy photography as well, so I have two added in, and I can go here and I can increase the strength of that. So maybe I can reduce this and I can increase the strength of that here. Same photograph, and I can click generate once again. And now it is going to use these models and then generate an image. Right. You can see the difference right now when we used a new model, a combination of that, the quality of images which are generated, right? It strongly has the vibe of a Kodak film photography image, right? So as opposed to when we gave just the prompt like that, the kind of images that it generated versus these, how it worked. I just wanted to introduce this to you. If you haven't heard about it, just try it out and let me know your thoughts and comments. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, bye bye.